Hi, today I'll be doing a caricature of Travis Bajent and Alexei Vovoda. Why these two? Alexei is I think the legend. Let's go ahead and draw Travis first because I like drawing Travis. A long time ago, possibly 20 years ago, I was watching this documentary called Pulling John, and they follow these two characters, Alexei Vovoda and Travis Bajent. They were on their path to beating this great arm wrestler. His name is John Brzenk. So they're both after the number one spot. And Travis was like a new up and comer. And he just came back to the sport, which is really exciting. He's doing like a live YouTube series. And he's talking about how he's training now. So it would be great if him and Alexei both arm wrestled, considering the fact that Alexei right now has a win over him. And it would be great if to see these guys just, get it on. What I like about drawing caricatures is when you know the characters, you know what I mean? I think the hard thing about caricatures is when you don't know them. And you're just drawing like from a picture and you don't know who in the world you're drawing, because then you don't know what to exaggerate, or what to emphasize. Like here I want to emphasize his craziness, and I want to really show his nostrils, and calls himself the beast. But I also know, and I'm familiar with, how he jokes around a lot. And if you watch that documentary, Pulling John, you guys will get an idea of what Travis is like. So that's why I'm making these calls right here, where I'm doing this with his teeth. That guy likes to get underneath your skin. I believe his son is a quarterback for the Bears. Now it's time to draw his crazy eyes. All right, let's draw Lexi. So while he's wild and crazy, Alexi's very, to me, he comes across very philosophical. Like he's a thinker. I believe he's vegan, which is really neat. Yeah, Lexi's like a walking monument, man. Like the guy is like really stoic, very like if there's a question why, he knows the answer. And at the time when they were doing that documentary, Alexi was dominating everybody. Travis, I believe, got a win on him. But in the end of the documentary, it would be Vovoda that would be victorious above all. And then he left. He left to do bobsledding, I believe. Then Vovoda came back to the sport of arm wrestling. And it's been really exciting. He pulled John Brzezinski. In the end of the documentary, he won John. And over the years, people have been asking John about a possible rematch with Alexi. It turned out that they finally had it. And John would end up winning at the age of 59, I believe. Pretty inspiring stuff. The documentary Pulling John definitely sensationalized Alexi. Reminds me a lot like Bobby Fischer, who like beat all these dudes, became the #1 chess champion in the world, and then disappeared. And that's what ended up happening. And everyone's always been asking the #1 question: what would it be like if John pulled him? That question's finally answered. But it would be great to see them pull both at their peaks, you know? But it's cool. It's better than nothing, what we got. And I hope Alexi keeps pulling. And I would love to see one with him and Travis. Right now, Travis, he has a win over you, so I'm gonna have to crown him king. I'll update this drawing once you pull him. There you go, Travis. I'll have you try to reach for it. Like you're coming for it. There you go. Let's draw them crazy eyes, Mr. Travis. That would be a great freaking matchup right here. Alexi Vovoda versus Travis Bajan. Ingen, make it happen. Alright, cool. So now it's time for me to shake this up. I really don't care.
Power off.
I don't care who wins or loses. I just want to see the match. I'm at a point now with arm wrestling. Who cares if they win or lose? I just want to see these two guys go at it. It's just super entertaining, whatever the outcome may be. I think they're great athletes. It's almost the same like Michael Jordan, like, does it really matter if he wins or loses? Like the team. It's nice to see these guys perform at their peak. Forget their peak. I just like to see them perform. I like the energy that Travis brings to the table. I like the stoicism that Alexi brings to the sport. Not to mention how many flying opinions of what a great match this is going to be. Well, I hope somebody who knows these guys are watching this video. Throw this at Ingen Terzi, who's organizing these cool events. Tell Travis, tell Alexi. Let's cause some stir in the community of arm wrestling. And let's watch this really cool match happen. Awesome. It's in your reach, Travis. It's in your reach. The truth is, you guys are both awesome, you know? So, and like I said, whatever the outcome. But right now, he has a win over you, dude. So it's 1-1, actually. You got him last time. He got you last time. It's 1-1. So, I see where you guys are at now. That'll be awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And like and subscribe. And I'll be drawing some more cool content. All right, you guys have a good one. Oh, you guys want to see what I was drawing from? I'll show you. See, I was doing it from these drawings right here. Well, these drawings, these pictures here. That was Alexi when he was younger. It's Travis during that documentary. That's them now. Oh, well, that's not. But Travis hasn't changed much. He's like a vampire. He still looks the same. See? Cool, huh? All right, guys. You guys have a good one. Thank you for watching. And as always, leave comments, leave questions. I also have an audio podcast, so I'll be answering questions there. So leave your questions there. Give me something to do, everybody. Bye.